Blooded and scarred, this bull has held onto his ground and his harem against all comers. But it's not over yet. The rivals keep coming. This new one looks particularly powerful. When two bulls are as evenly matched as this, they can trade blows for 20 minutes. The resident bull is tiring. The weeks of fighting have taken too great a toll. Suddenly, his neighbours join in the attack. Overwhelmed, he's driven from his territory and out of the colony forever. The breeding season is almost over, and the seals will soon leave. Now an outcast, this mortally wounded bull will die here. But he will die a winner. He held his territory for long enough to father offspring.